Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, we're going to go ahead and fix our microphones on our Xbox One controller and make sure our microphones are indeed working. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So there seems to be an Xbox One controller problem that's causing your microphones to not work. And there is an easy way to go ahead and fix this, and this is by updating the firmware on your controller. Now this will be mainly for the microphones that you have to plug into the headphone jack on your controller. If you are plugging through the USB, this may not be a fix for you. So if you are having problems with a microphone that you plug into your headphone jack on your controller, make sure you do this because this could be the issue that's causing the problem for you. So let's go ahead and switch over to my Xbox One screen. I'll show you how to update your controller. So I am on my Xbox One now. On the home screen, let's press the Xbox button, pop open the side menu here, then go to the right to the new Profile and System tab. Go down to Settings, select this. Now on the left hand side, let's go to Devices and Connections. Now go over to Accessories and select this. Now there is a picture of our controller. Let's go down to the three little dots here and select A on this. Then you can update your firmware with the first option. And you also have the option to buzz your controller to make sure it's the right controller that you are using. So let's go to firmware version and press A on this. And mine says no updates because I already did this, but you may have an update available for you. Now before we can start, you have to connect your controller with a USB cable. So make sure you have a USB cable laying around, plug it into your Xbox One and plug the other end into your controller. Once it's attached, go ahead and go to continue. And it's going to go ahead and apply the update. So don't move your controller or disconnect it during this time. Otherwise there could be some issues with your controller. So my update is 100% complete and it looks like I don't need any updates. So once this update is applied, go ahead and try to use your microphone on your Xbox One controller. Just open the side menu again, scroll all the way down. With the latest update, you now have the speaker, the audio option right on this menu. So let's press A on this, plug in my headset right now to my headphone jack, and you should be able to see it working. Or not, everything should show up in blue. Make sure you have your headset turned on at the top, have your volume headset up, your headset chat mixer set to whatever you want, and then your mic monitoring. So with your mic monitoring, this means you can hear yourself talk when you have the microphone close to your voice. So make sure you turn this up. Just turn it up all the way just for testing purposes, and you should be able to hear yourself talk into your microphone, and it should play back into your earphone. So if you can hear yourself talk, your microphone is working. So make sure you update your controller on your Xbox One, and hopefully this helps you fix your problem with your headphone jack on your Xbox One, and your controller's microphone is now working. So if this video did indeed help you out, make sure you leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.